beautiful friends, my name is Katie. In today's video we are doing something exciting because I love me some blonde hair, and in the past I have definitely tried to bleach it at home and it has turned orange, and it has not been necessarily the most, I don't know, glamorous of looking things. And since we've been at home for like, I don't know, four months, 12 years, I'm not sure how much time has passed at this point, my hair is turning a little bit brown, and also just the ends of my hair had been looking a little just like dull, a little boring. But because of the current situation, I'm kind of just unwilling to go to the hair salon. And for some reason, I think the universe knew what I was thinking, because YouTube started recommending Brad Mondo videos, and his like #1 recommendation is do not bleach your own hair at home. I won't bleach my hair at home, it's fine. But in one of his videos, he did recommend a product by Malibu, which is the Malibu Repair. I'll insert the picture here. And basically this is an at-home kind of mask that's supposed to just brighten your blonde hair, and it's supposed to just kind of get rid of all the gunk and build up. It is not a toner though. So if your hair is yellow or orange, it will not tone your hair. So I'm gonna show you first how to use the product, and then second, my thoughts. So here's what my hair currently looks like. And I don't know if you guys can really, if I can get it to actually focus on how bad this hair is. It is actually crunchy from the chlorine. Like, look at how gross that is. It's so stinking yellow and brassy, and yes, it is chlorinified, but you can see it's just, not a great color. Here are the 2 packets from Malibu that I ordered off Amazon. I will link that below. And then here are the 2 shampoos that I use. I personally love Pureology, but if you're looking for a cheaper option that works really well, I also love this product by Aussie. I think these both just work super well, especially if you have curly hair. So first up, you're just gonna wanna wash your hair like normal. That way you get out all of the baseline junk or buildup in your hair, or in my case, chlorine. Then you're gonna take your Malibu Repair, or in this case, the purple one that I've labeled a big one on, because I could not keep these straight at all, and you're just gonna pour it out. It is this weird like crystal mixture. You're gonna want to add a little bit of water and then dissolve those crystals, and as you can see, I just glop this straight on top of my hair, straight on top of that brown, which is not where it should go. So I would definitely recommend mixing this in a bowl first, so that way if you have hair like mine where the ends are blonde, you can make sure you put the concentrated amount on the bottom. You can see I've got a lot of concentrate at the top of my hair, and I just couldn't get it to work all the way down after globbing it on top. And then per the directions, I let it sit for 5 minutes in my hair, which involved a lot of singing in my shower. And then you're going to shampoo all of this out, and then you're going to use that second product, which is the Malibu Repair, or in this case I labeled it with a 2 because again, can't tell the difference in the shower. And this stuff was a super rich like purple blue color, so I'm just gonna make sure that I concentrate this on my actual blonde hair and not on the daggone top. But I think this is where using this product every week would really help, because when I looked at the clip I realized there were a lot of strands of hair that I really just didn't end up getting, even though I thought I had really layered it on. You can see like the whole back section doesn't have any of the product on it, so I either need more product or just to use this more regularly. And again, my bathroom is all white, so I tried not to get it on anything, but when it got on the tub and tile, there were no problems with that. You're gonna leave this product in your hair for 5 more minutes, which is when I came back to the camera to film, and I was like, wow, it is so humid in my bathroom, you can't see a thing. And then after about an hour, here's what my hair looks like as it is drying. I know this lighting's not the best, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like curly. We all know what you've really come for. You've come for my thoughts. Did this product work? What did I think? Well, first of all, I don't know if it actually changed the color of my hair at all. I will say though, this might be just like a placebo effect, because I've been sitting there just kind of looking and I'm like, I think it's kind of whiter. I think it's a little blonder, but also it could be the exact same color and I just don't know. So overall, I feel like it's like the slightest bit lighter, but I'm really just not sure if it did absolutely anything in terms of color. Yeah, I feel like the color is probably actually the same. It gets rid of buildup and the gunk in your hair, and if you saw, my hair was crunchy, and it does definitely feel like super clean. And it also says like if you have hard water, this is great to get that buildup out of your hair. The crystal packet was a little bit hard to use because you had to like mush the crystals in your hand. My hand's not super big, and then add water and mush it together. And then you saw in the clip, I just went like this, which is definitely not correct. This is like the brown part of my hair, so I'm not sure, like in my mind when I was like, this is the part that needs it. I should have definitely started at the bottom, because like this part's blonde, not this part. So I would recommend using a bowl for this so you can actually like get it mushed together correctly and get it on there. And then the second product I absolutely loved. So when I put it on my hand, it was definitely like a super rich purple, which I have an all white bathroom and it didn't stain anything. It just looks super dark purple. It also didn't stain my hands permanently. I was concerned about that one. I was like, oh great, all my DIYs are gonna be purple, but you can see my hands are not purple anymore. When I put it in my hair was so soft. I'm running my hands through my hair in the shower and I was like, it's never been this soft before, ever. Oh my goodness. So I would highly, highly recommend the repair portion, because it was just like, I mean, you could feel that that product actually was working. You could feel how awesome it was. And since I have bleached hair and also my hair is super curly, my hair just isn't always the softest and silkiest of items. And so when I felt it, I was like, oh. So this is one where the second product, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. The first product, I'm definitely going to try again because I want to see if maybe mixing it in the bowl will help me to actually apply it correctly. And I also read on one of the reviews that you could leave it in your hair for 45 minutes. Didn't try that, that's not recommended on the packaging, but I might try leaving it in longer than 5 minutes to see if that actually changes anything. I might also try maybe adding 2 packets instead of 1. I feel like my hair is pretty thick. If you're a hairdresser or know anything about hair, can you let me know? I've always been curious if my hair is thick or thin, but I feel like my hair is thick. Like I feel like it's got a lot going on. It is definitely not fine. So overall, I would recommend this product, and I'm definitely gonna try it again because it says you can use it weekly. Again, I'm not sure if the color is actually different. Y'all can let me know in the comments below if you think the color changed at all, or if you think it looks exactly the same, but you know, a little shinier. Feels shinier, it feels better. So that is my review of this product. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, or if you just want to thumbs up a video because you can and it's free for you, that would be great and mean a lot to me. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below because I am trying desperately hard to make new videos twice a week. Hold me to it. Let's hope things go well. Let's hope things go better in the second half of this year and that we can make these things happen. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.